About this item: rainbow brilliant color illumination with 20 preset RGB backlight effects. It is possible for you to personalize your keyboard from a spectrum of over 8 million colors to match your setup, specific games, or to showcase your favorite colors. This helps make the illumination of each key more brilliant, making it easier to find your keys in the dark. Desktop computer, fully programmable and highly configurable. Expand your options to design your own keys, light effects, and macro. The macros with different key bindings or shortcuts combine multiple keys function in one key for more efficient work and gaming. High voltage responsive red switches. Our K565 mechanical keyboard features red switch, which requires less force to press down, and the keys feel smoother and easier to use. It's best for RPGs and MMO games. You will get 4 spare switches as a gift. High voltage durable metal panel. This gaming keyboard Backlit with aluminium alloy panel, which greatly improves the durability, ensures longer product service time. Its weight up to 2.77 pounds, ensures keyboard doesn't slide around when gaming. Keyboard full keys anti-ghosting. All keys can work simultaneously, easily complete any combining functions without conflicting keys. 12. Multimedia key shortcuts allow you to quickly access to calculator / media / volume control / email. Thumbs up professional after sales service. We provide every Redragon customer with 24-month warranty. Please feel free to contact us when you meet any problem. We will spare no effort to provide the best service to every customer within 24 hours to help you.